What is a food safety plan? The term HACCP plan or FSMA-PCP plan or CFIA-PCP plan. My name is Felicia Loo, and I am a registered SQF consultant who helps businesses with their SQF program requirements. Today, let's dive deep into the fundamentals of the SQF Food Safety Plan, what it is, when it applies to you, and how you can ensure your business stays compliant with zero hassle. The SQF Food Safety Plan is a comprehensive strategy designed to identify, evaluate, and control food safety hazards throughout your production process. It's not merely a paperwork exercise, it's the backbone of a system that protects consumers, ensuring the food you deliver is safe and reliable. By embracing these standards, you're complying with industry regulations and reinforcing the trust your consumers place in your brand. So, when do these requirements come into play for your company? The SQF Food Safety Plan is essential at all stages of your food production and supply chain. Whether you're a small-scale producer or a multinational distributor, these requirements are applicable. Whenever there is a need to prevent food safety incidents that could harm consumers or damage your brand reputation. When preparing or auditing your food safety plan, there are several key elements you should focus on. These include conducting a thorough hazard analysis, establishing preventive controls, and implementing effective monitoring procedures. Don't forget to document everything meticulously, as proper record keeping is vital for verification processes and future audits. Navigating the complexities of the SQF Food Safety Plan can be daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Consider engaging the expertise of a registered SQF consultant like myself. We can guide you through the nuances of SQF requirements, helping you avoid costly pitfalls and ensuring all bases are covered. Take the next step towards uncompromised food safety. Book a strategy call with Felicia Loo now. Call us at 123-651-32488 to discuss your unique needs and how we can support your journey to compliance. For further insights and valuable tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.